Hi everybody, welcome to this week's episode of Media Mondays. I'm about to show you a very clever new tool within Lightroom that can help you achieve those blurred backgrounds. So with a lot of my car photography, I tend to not need this tool because I usually use a 35mm or an 85mm f1.4. So definitely with the 85, you get a very strong blurred background with a lot of the photos. And this tends to work better with something like a zoom lens or a kit lens where your depth of field that you can achieve isn't as generally great and as blurred as what you would get out of a prime lens. So as you can see, this photo that I've got here is from Ultrace 2023. I took it on the Tamron 70-180 f2.8. So we still have a bit of a blurred background here at the top. That's just because of how close I was to the car. If I was stood a lot further back, that would be a lot more in focus. So this works by the AI recognizing what the focal point of the picture is and then artificially blurring the backgrounds. So anybody with a kit lens out there who's struggling to get that blurred background, this is a very, very good tool. So you go to your edit module on the right hand side of the screen, you scroll all the way down and you will find a section here called lens blur. So all we have to do is just click on the apply button here. So when I click it, you will notice this section of the photo, the new lens blur that comes in. It's even more blurred than what it is now. So if you press the apply button, it estimates the depth. And then up here, give it a few seconds to work. And there we are. So now we have a very, very blurred out background. So I can show you the difference between the original and there. So we'll just turn the blur down to 0, and that's what the original photo is. And then we turn it all the way up, and the background becomes more blurred. This is a great, great effect for making your car pop and stand out, and it puts the focal point on the car in the picture. So this is it's an effect that I like to try and create with quite a lot of my car photos. I just think it makes the car pop and it makes it stand out. So let me know how you get on with that. If you want any more tips or you want to comment below, it'd be great if you could follow me. I'm trying to build this channel. There's going to be a lot more content coming in future with quite a lot of product reviews and other things, bits and pieces, maybe a few cinematic videos from shows. So if you could give me a like and a subscribe, that'd be amazing. Thanks very much. See you next week. Bye-bye.